Okay, here they are. There was a one bigger than this, a white one. I'll put a picture up of it. We actually entered it in the fair. We thought it was a white pumpkin. But what it was is 3 squash plants that came out of the compost pile that I would guess now was a cross between an acorn and something else. It could have been an acorn and a pumpkin. I did grow pumpkins, and they were in the pile. I didn't grow anything white, like any white squash, so that really surprised me. But if my neighbors were growing, like, is it the Jack B. Littles that are white, are little white pumpkins? If they were growing those, then that could have crossed. But interesting that this should probably go over here. You see, this one is partly green, and this one is completely green. These are yellow, and these are like a cream color, and the other one, as I said, was white. So this is what can happen. It only affects the seeds. So when we were done with the squash, any seeds we didn't keep ended up in the compost pile, which apparently was not hot enough to kill them. They came up in the tomato bed. And the only thing we had to do is he made me, himself wanted to pull them out because his tomatoes are like gold to him. But I promised I would not let them hurt his tomatoes, and they didn't. So this is the result. I enjoy it. This is the first time I've ever gotten cross-pollination. I've actually tried to do it myself with a Q-tip, going from flower of one squash to the flower of another, or from like a pumpkin to zucchini, and it never worked out. It's the skinny on cross-pollination. It can't hurt this year's crops. It can only affect the seeds of next year, and you can do it intentionally, or you can just have fun with it when it happens by itself, like this. See you soon. Thanks for watching.